But if you're blessed with a commercial gym membership, then you don't have to worry about this one too much because you've got those epic knee extension machines. However, if you've got a functional space and you want to be creative, we've got an awesome drill for knee extensions to sort of drive some tension through the quads and get the blood pumping through those quads so you can look after your tendons, but also strong quads equal strong knees. So on a box, set yourself up with a foam roller just to give yourself a bit more clearance so you get a bit of extra range. The higher the knees, obviously, the more clearance you'll get. And then you're just going to tuck a kettlebell on your foot and then go through some knee extension drills. You can play around with time under tension, obviously controlling the eccentric or spending some time in the lockout, so lock it up there. And what you're going to find as well, you're really going to get some TA activation, some medial quad, depending on where you put your foot. So if you turn the foot in, you're going to get a bit more VMO. If you turn your foot out, turn your foot out, you're going to get some VMO. Turn your foot in, you're going to get a lot more rec fem, lateral quad. So play around with the progressions, but a really good way to get some blood pumping and get some strength through those quads in isolation.